Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to organize my sequins. So currently all my sequins are just kind of thrown in this bag here, which is handy, and it's fine actually that all of my sequins are in this one package. And I do have some that came from Pen Pals, and they're beautifully wrapped, and they have little pockets and everything that keep them in place. But this was one of the ones that I received in a happy mail from my pen pal Kathleen in Australia, and I have used quite a bit of the sequins that she sent to me, but this was what I wanted to do. I wanted to create little pockets like this so that it's really easy to put together sequin mixes. And I have a lot of sequins that come in packages like this. These are almost impossible to use. That's why I have so many of these ones left. I'm going to start with these first because the way that they are, if you open them, they're at risk of spilling. Putting them back together, like, it's just really not fun. And I also get a lot of sequins like this. So I'm going to sort of create a couple of different packages in here, and then I'll come back and I'll show you exactly how I've managed to organize everything and how much I was able to get into different kits. I'll just show you quickly here too, another beautiful sequin set. So this was a really fun box as well. And I just love, it's this, having the separate lids, because it makes making a sequin mix so much easier, because you're not trying to like pour different ones in. You don't need to use a spoon. You literally just snap it open. Why can't I open one of these? Oh, it's going the wrong way. And just snap it open, and you can dump out into your little mix what you want to do. So anyways, that's another smaller version there, but I find these so handy and they're really pleasant to use. So I'm not going to get all fancy specifically and create a little package for it, but there are fun ways if you do want to send them as happy mail to pen pals. There's lots of fun ways that you can package them up like this and send them off. I've probably got some other examples in here. This is a cute one. Again, this one doesn't have the individual pockets, but it's still pretty good. Other ones I have. This is a cute one I got. Like this. This is another fun one. I just made this one up myself. I actually got a sequin mix that had all of these colors mixed together, and I painstakingly went one by one and organized all of the different colors into a little mix that I could put into storage here. And it was funny because I think I did all of that and then I spilled it before I got it in. Anyways, this was at a time when it was really hard for me to find sequins anywhere, and that's why when I found at the dollar store all these sequins, I just like bought as many packages as I could, because sequins are so hard to find here. But I've got all sorts of things, so I got to get this all organized. There's another way that I would get sequins, so packages like this. So I'm going to organize all this up nicely, and look at that cute one. You see this? I've seen this a lot as well. I've seen people just take the little individual packets out of here and send them in a happy mail, which is a really fun idea. But like, look at those cute things. Gorgeous. Sequins are so fun. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I have done the sorting, and I can actually close my bag, and I have all of my sequins in the two packages here, so you can see it is so nice. It was like so satisfying to throw away those plastic packages that were so hard to get in and out of all of the time. I really did a number of different containers here with a variety of different colors that I had either loose or in packages that were super hard to open, hard to seal, and it made me not want to dig into those sequins. So now I'm just very happy that I can add these two into the bag. Like, this isn't super organized inside here, but you can see like it easily closes. This is another way that I use these containers to organize these clay resins. They come like this on a string, and they're really hard to use because once you snip the string, you've either got to tie the string back up or you've got a loose ribbon of basically these little clay beads, so it's not very practical to use them. So this was another good use for these kind of containers. I did even go in and fill up a couple of blank spaces of parts where I had already used the containers here, and so everything is all reloaded, and I am so glad that I was sent these containers. And honestly, like, I could do my entire bag because I didn't even get to some of the ones that are in packages, and but they're like easier to access, and I don't really mind because usually when I'm using these, I can like make a sequin mix right from all of these, and I just like staple them back in place. But it might be worth me getting more of these containers so that I can actually have a really, because imagine how wonderful this bag would be if it had all of those packages inside there. So that's great. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave links down below to all the products that I received from LBead, and you can check it out. Their prices were really reasonable. Shipping was fast, and all the way to here in Canada. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.